Hi, I'm Michael, a final year mechanical engineering student. I'm also taking up a specialization in robotics and a minor in computing. I've been doing robotics stuff forever, so it's kind of natural that I would eventually pursue an education in it. In my spare time, I like to pursue hobbies such as photography, model kits, and Bumblebee, but we'll get to that last one later. So why did I choose a robotics specialization? Well, I've always had a passion for system design and development, so I could actually develop these skills in a robotics specialization. This also allows me to branch out into other disciplines such as computing, electrical engineering, and machine learning. This diverse skill set would then also allow me to pursue diverse career options such as manufacturing, research, or defense, to name a few. So I'd like to highlight some courses I've taken throughout these few years that I found quite interesting. In ME 3243, I had to design a planner and controller for a robot to run a simulation maze. In ME 4242, I got to experiment with different materials in the development of a soft robotic system. Finally, in ME 3241, although not part of the robotics specialization, it was a fun foray into microprocessor and assembly code, which culminated in my team having to design our own little game that ran on real Game Boy hardware. So, courseware is good and all, but if I had to point to the one thing that made me a better engineer at NUS, it would be my time at Team Bumblebee. Bumblebee is a multidisciplinary project team that is entirely run by students comprising CDE, SOC, and School of Business. Here, we develop autonomous maritime systems. Our fleet consists of the Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, AUV 4.1, the Autonomous Aerial Vehicle, Jellyfish 2.0, and the Autonomous Surface Vessel, ASV 4.0. As the version numbers might suggest, we've done many iterations of these vehicles throughout the many generations of Bumblebee members that have come through. Besides this, we also develop support equipment and systems to better our operational capabilities. So, at Bumblebee, as engineers, we work alongside members from other disciplines in order to build, integrate, and develop our systems. By having members from different disciplines, you're able to cover our blind spots in the design process, which allows for a more well-rounded system overall. Besides this, we take the time to learn from industry professionals. As you can imagine, maritime robotics is quite a niche and complex field, so we appreciate all of the help they can give us. Finally, we rigorously test our systems in the real world. Come competition season, you might find us at the USC Pool or Republic of Singapore Yacht Club testing our systems day in and day out to ensure they perform their best. On a more personal level, there's something quite special about going from theory to practice and taking what you've learned in class, developing a system, and fabricating it as well. From there, you're able to integrate your system, and when it works, it's fantastic. But of course, sometimes reality doesn't agree with simulations, and that's quite sin. But that's all part of the iterative design process. Finally, Bumblebee has given me the opportunity to go overseas for competitions such as RoboSub or Robotics. These competitions are a great opportunity to interact with like-minded engineers who share this passion in maritime robotics. At these competitions, not only are systems tested, but our team's organization and management as well. Good luck finding a metric screw at Home Depot when you've forgotten it in Singapore. Throughout these 3 weeks we're overseas, our team cooks, cleans, eats, and if all things go well, sleeps together, all in preparation for our finals run. Throughout these 3 weeks, it is a hectic rush, but in hindsight, I find it to be a fun experience that you cannot get elsewhere. Or maybe that's just the Stockholm Syndrome speaking, who knows. Either way, Bumblebee is not the only engineering team you'll find in NUS. I highly recommend you guys take a look around. If you find something interesting, give it a shot. You'll be a better engineer off for it. And who knows, you'll make some friends along the way. For more information on our new robotics course, do check out the first link. For more information about other courses, check out the second link below. Thank you.